Hello students, in this video we are going to revise the first exercise in coordinate geometry, exercise 5.1. So mainly we have studied three concepts. The first one is area of a triangle. They will give three vertices of a triangle. We have to find the area of a triangle using the formula. So we know the formula to find the area of a triangle. So area of a triangle 1 by 2 into x1, x2, x3 and x1, y1, y2, y3 and y1. So we have to do the cross multiplication, then minus, this way we have to multiply, then simplify, then using 1 by 2 we have to cancel, then we have to find the answer if three vertices of a triangles are given. So the second one is collinear points. So what is mean by collinear points? If three or more points lying on a same straight line, then the points are called collinear points. So we know in a graph sheet, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. If we mark any 3 points and if we join all those 3 points, definitely we will get a triangle. So wherever we are marking, wherever we want to mark, we can mark, and if we join 3 points, we will get a triangle. Okay, but if those 3 points, if they lie on a same straight line like this, x, y, z, here you see A, B, C. So you can see here these x, y and z lie on a same straight line. Here A, B, C lie on a same straight line. If the 3 points lying on a same straight line, then the points are called collinear points. So how to check the collinear points? How to check whether the given points are collinear or not? We have to use the same formula. We have to find the area. If the area is 0, the final answer, if the final answer is 0, then the given 3 points are collinear, because if they lie on a same straight line, they will not form a triangle. So the area of a triangle will be 0. This is the second one, collinear points. Then what about the third one? Third one is area of a quadrilateral. Y-axis, x-axis. A, B, C and D. So look at, if we join any 4 points on the Cartesian plane, it will form a quadrilateral. So when we solving a quadrilateral form of problem, first we have to plot the points on the Cartesian plane before we using the formula. We have to plot the points on the Cartesian plane, then we have to take in a counterclockwise, in the anti-clock direction, we have to arrange the points A, B, C, D. So you should not come this way, A, B, C, D, because we have to take in the counterclockwise, then we have to apply this coordinates in the formula. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, x4, y4. Because of the 4 vertices, x4, y4 will come. So for that, area of a quadrilateral is equal to 1 by 2 into x1, y1, x1, x2, x3, x4, x1. Like similarly y1, y2, y3, y4 and y1. Then as we did for the triangle, the same way we have to multiply this 1 by 2 into cross multiplication minus this way cross multiplication, then we have to simplify, we can find the answer. So these are the main 3 concepts that we have discussed in the first exercise. So these two formula we have to be familiar, and we have to understand the collinear. Sometimes in the area of a triangle they will give the answer, we have to find any one of these coordinate. They will ask us to find the any one of unknown coordinates. So in that case also we have to use this same formula. Answer will be given, so 22 square unit or 18 square unit, like that. So we have to is equal to write that answer, then simplify this side, and sometimes we will get linear equation, simple linear equation. Sometimes we will get a quadratic equation. If finally if you are getting quadratic equation, we have to factorize and solve. If you are getting linear equations, simply we know how to find the unknown value in the linear equation. We can solve like that. So these are the three main concepts that we have discussed in first exercise. So see, sometimes if you mark any 4 points on the quadrilateral, will it form a triangle? Will it form a quadrilateral? We will check. If 3 points lie on a same straight line, if one point is like that, we will get a triangle. Even though we are marking 4 distinct points in a quadrilateral, if any 3 points are collinear, then the rest of the point is somewhere. If we join those points, we will get a triangle like this. So you can see 1, 2, 3. 3 points are collinear. Then the fourth point is here. If we join them, we will get a triangle. We will not get a quadrilateral. If 4 points are in 4 different places, we will get a quadrilateral. Sometimes if 4 points are lying on the same straight line, we will get a collinear points. So if we join any 4 points on the quadrilateral on the Cartesian plane, we will get, sometimes it may be collinear, sometimes we may get triangle, sometimes we may get quadrilateral. So the 3 possibilities are there. That is also we have to understand. In triangle, if you join 3 points, definitely we will get a triangle, or it must be a collinear. Okay, you understand? So the next concept is very interesting concept, that is more interesting than this concept. So we will see in the next video.